Welcome to our newest listing at C21 So Team here, 703 Paula, Terrace, San Jose 95126. This home features 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. The 4th bedroom can be converted into an office.
What's great about this property is it used to be a model home, so it has all the upgraded features: dual pane windows, crown molding, coffered ceiling, and much more.
Now we are in this amazing kitchen. Look at the gorgeous backsplash, look at the stainless steel appliances. One of my favorite features, you can cook with gas. And also, all the window shutters have remote control.
And this property is located in Willow Glen, and you have Willow Glen Elementary, Middle, and High School.
I just love being in this master bedroom. It feels modern, fresh, with all the modern painting, recessed lighting, modern baseboard, and crown molding.
The great thing about this master bedroom, what I love is it has crown molding, coffered ceiling, and when you enter the bathroom, it has a large opening as well as double sink for you and your spouse. It has walk-in closet. Another feature about this home is they're all sprinklered. It's only 5 years old and it's a single family home with no HOA.
I like this smart home with Ecobee thermostat and full-size laundry.
And it's conveniently located near the hall bath with modern tile and quartz countertop, large and spacious.
The property is 5 miles away from Apple's new Spaceship campus.
The property is also close to a large city park, Willow Street Frank Bramhall Park. Now this is a huge park offering a softball field, basketball, tennis courts, and even lawn bowling. The property is also a freeway hop away from the Children's Discovery Museum. This is a great place to take kids where kids can learn and interact with multiple exhibits. Now I'm at downtown Willow Glen, and the property is amazingly close to these fabulous restaurants such as The Table, as well as the Willow Glen Creamery, and so much more. The property gets Willow Glen schools, including Willow Glen Elementary, which has an 867 API score.
Hello friends, today we're out in one school and it's so good there.
Thank you for taking the tour with us. We hope to see you at this weekend's open house.